are we going? Absolutely nowhere. Liking your videos, subscribing it. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are in Nairobi. It's been a minute since you've seen my face, but I promise you, I can't explain. Anyway, I've taken a short trip to Nairobi. I am currently right in the middle of Nairobi city. The hotel is called Hemak Suites. It's chilled, it's nice. But anyway guys, talk to me, how have you been? Please comment down below. What you gonna do with your water? I go drink water and mind my business. Look what just happened to my earpods. They fell and broke. OMG, somebody save me. Hey fam, I am back. I was outside for a second. I went out to get a few things for the night and now I'm back at the hotel. I want to shower, change, but before that let me show you what I got. Got a face towel so I can shower with it. Like honestly, even if they offered a face towel here, I wouldn't use it. I just like to use something that I know it's new, it's for me. I'm the first one to use it. Like this little soap they offer at the hotel, it's super small and like literally when you use it like this it will fall down so many times and nobody got time for that. So I also got like an imperial leather soap. This is actually one of my favorite soaps, by the way. I use this in Doha, I use this in Kenya. So let me tell you something about me. I love glasses. If you want to gift me anything, gift me sunglasses, okay? So I bumped into this one. Talk to me nice. Torn in between the two and I could not choose one. So I had to get two sunglasses and I ended up getting this one. The aesthetics, if you're an aesthetic girly, you get me right now. Like, come on. The details and the color is these two glasses. I went to KFC, I bought some chicken and a crusher, you know, you saw the video, and I wanted to have like a few snacks in the house, so I got a digestive chocolate biscuit. These things are addictive, OMG. Also I got Urban Bites. Last but not least, I got a juice and a bottle of water. I'm in Nairobi at the moment and the only thing I can think about is I really like to meet influencers. I'm also like an influencer stroke content creator and I think it's high time I start collaborating with people. Most of these people are hard to find or hard to get, but I think it's time to meet these people and I'm ready to meet you all. If you're a content creator, actually I'm not gonna say that. I am ready to meet all the big creators now. Like seriously. Get up and try. Get up and try. So I've already showered and these are the products I used. For my body, I used Nivea You can never go wrong with Nivea. The Elf moisturizer. This moisturizer is very hydrating. So if you can get this and you have dry skin or combined skin, get this. It's very hydrating. Smell, body smell, I used Rexona, which is a roll-on. My Vaseline, lip balm, whatever. So this is how it is. Can really go up. But we don't want to do that. Sometimes when I wash my face and I feel like a little dry on some areas of my face, I just do this and do this, or apply on my lips. It says here you can use it like this, but I don't think I can do it like that because I just feel it belongs on the face, not anywhere else. The Last Airbender, y'all. I watched this movie when I was a kid and I can't believe the new one is out, and it's out on the best day when I am outside, which means this is what I'm gonna watch tonight, like period. I have something to do tonight.
I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks. Ooh. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just wanna see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable.
I'm currently in Garden City. Today has been a long day, a full day full of content creation. Today is on Saturday 24. This was my second day in Nairobi, and I can't wait for you guys to see what I have for you. I brought a lot of products, so please buy from my store.
It's also unachievable, yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a whole source of me. But self-doubt comes easy and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just wanna see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody
To the bank, baby. Tumemaliza pesa. Send money.
Send money, we buy you things.
Send money, we add more things. We have we've shopped from Panda Mart. I'll show you what I got when I get home.
By the way, this place is so nice, guys. It's very big. It has a lot of
It's
things.
huge, right?
How do they say lots of things in Kiswahili?
Well, it's gonna be a long one. It's like wanauza vitu mingi sana.
Wanauza vitu mingi sana.
Hey, tell them to subscribe. Tell them in Ugandan.
Eh, musubscribing. What is musubscribing by the Ugandan friends. I've met my Kenyan friends.
Yes.
Mwa labe videos there. Yeah.
Love the videos.
Tubagala nyo.
Yeah.
Liking videos, subscribing. See you in Uganda.
Yes.
I'm in Nairobi.
Official look.
I love that trouser.
Guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited. Today is on Sunday and I'm supposed to leave and go back to Nakuru today. In the beginning of this video, I didn't tell you why I came to Nairobi. So I specifically came to Nairobi to collect my products for my new shop. Yes. I don't know if I should have introduced my new shop like this, but I've already said it. So yeah, I came to collect products from my new shop. Yeah, it's been an exciting experience, a tiresome experience, cause nobody told me business women be sweating like this. Anyway, this is what I signed up for and I'm not complaining. I'm just stating it. I'm just stating the fact. But I'm super happy about this new venture and I want to bring you guys in on this. Please buy from my store. Also, in the beginning of this vlog, I said I'd like to meet influencers. I came across, what's her name? Celestine Dinda, that is Njogosh's wife. She's so nice. I was just walking at Stamol or Sesamo and I was going down the stairs and I saw her going up and I said hi. She's very humble and very nice. Hopefully next time I can see some big famous people and hopefully I could work with these people, but anyway, one of the highlights of my trip is when I came to this hotel. I was only coming for business and yesterday I went to have breakfast on the 8th floor because they have a restaurant up there, and when I did, the lady who was serving me told me, do you know anywhere I could get makeup products and stuff like that, because there's a lady in this building that I'm in and she's looking for makeup products. No, skincare products, skincare products. And I was like, yeah, I don't have anything, I don't have a lot I'm doing, so I feel free, I can just take her around. So I thought she was just looking for a few skincare products, but no, she's a skincare product specialist. She's from Uganda, and we met, we clicked, we talked, we did a little bit of research, and then we headed out and we looked for a few places. I think she got what she wanted and I'm happy about that. Later on we went to Garden City where we had dinner, where we had some food, and that's where we went to Panda Mart as well. And it was just an experience. She's a business owner. She has a store in Uganda. It's almost 1 year now since she started. She was just telling me about everything she has gone through, and she cried. She's happy. There's a lot that goes on with running a business.
I done messed it up again. Yeah, I'm sorry if I crossed the line. What am I supposed to do right now?
I love listening to Miles Monroe, so I got this book that says Understand Your Potential, and I also got another book from Napoleon Hill, says Think and Grow Rich. Time to make some money, baby. Period.
Maybe this ain't for real.
I got a few things from Panda Mart. Let me show you what I got. So this is the little bag from Panda Mart. It's huge, like seriously, Panda Mart is huge. It kind of reminds me of Dubai and stuff like that. Anyway, I got white chocolate from Dairyland. Yes, each going for 75 Kenyan shillings. I got 2 bowls for my cat. One for water, one for food. I got what is it called? Mesorola system. But not least, I got the cutest doll. Oh yeah, it's so cute. It's so cute. Let me tell you something about us. We are cat family. We are a cat family. We recently got a cat at home. We call her Lily. And also I got this for my sister. She recently had an accident. She got hit by a motorcycle or a motorbike and she broke her leg. Yeah, it has been a devastating moment. That was the most scary moment of our lives as a family. So anyway, she's doing fine now. She's recuperating. We've been at the hospital several times, and let me tell you, people are really suffering. You never realize what you have until you lose it. You know, people, there's so many people at the hospital. Like, what? Thank God for life. Thank God for good health. Thank God for a roof over your head. Thank God that you're not in the hospital. Like, that's not a good environment at all. And also remember those people in those hospitals. You know, like, pray for them. They need a lot of hope because people are going through a lot of things. But anyway, this is our little comfy. Oh, this is what I got. It was 800. This was the most expensive thing I got at Panda Mart, and I am not sorry about that. Anyway, I think this is gonna be the end of my vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming through. Please support my business. My business is called T.Lin Trendy. Please follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Buy, please buy from me, please. Thank you.